Citizens, chase down those bounties. Engineers, grab crates from their ships. I can sell the crates, and we can split the profits. Go now, and rendezvous with the Mandalorian on Tatooine. Right, pilot. Make the jump to hyperspace, and good luck.
This is the ship Hondo sends. Let's see what it can do. Hondo wants crates. Practice on these. Engineers, hit the flashing button to activate your tractor beam. Nice work on the tractor beam. Gunners, take out those scouts. Nice shot, Gunners. Enough practice. You're ready. There's our bounties. Stay hidden while I think of a plan. Grogu, don't touch those buttons. I said don't touch. New plan. Catch one bounty. They're splitting up. Chase them down. Hit the boosters. Don't lose sight of them. We need to know where they're headed. Right engineer, launch the homing beacons. Good work. We can only follow one. Bespin, Coruscant, or Endor. Left engineer, pick our destination. Fast. Endor, let's see what we find. Grogu, buckle up. Make the jump to light speed. The Death Star. Our bounty's trying to hide. Pilots, head into the wreckage, but be on alert. It's okay, kid. You're safe with me. They clocked us. Left pilot, hit the boosters. Engineers, grab the crates with your tractor beam. Gunners, you're up. Stay on target.
Engineers, how many crates do we have?
Stay off the comms, Naka. You're not gonna make it. Left pilot, hit the boosters. Grogu, open the hatch. Retrieving the bounty. Now. Time to fly back to it. We're caught in a tractor beam. We have to get out of here. Gunners, release the torpedo, now. Great shot. Let's head out before there's any more surprises. Make a jump to light speed.
Light speed, light speed, light speed.
Mission complete. Yes, you can say hi to your new friends.
Look at all these crates. You are skilled smugglers indeed. Perhaps you will plan more missions for Hondo.
Hondo, what did you do to my ship?
Okay, crew, now let's wrap this up. Quickly.
Oh, my accuracy is 32%.
Well, you're better than me. I'm only 30. I'm